Today, this text effect is suitable for the production of intro or outro. First, open VideoAE and enter Make Video. First, import the video we want to make from the album, and then create a text layer. Enter the text you want to make. You can appropriately enlarge the layer and place the text in the center of the screen. The default text exists for 4 seconds. You can find the duration in Tools to set the duration according to your needs. If you think the font style is not good looking, you can find font style in the toolbar below and click to select the font style you like. Switch layers. Select the video layer. Move the bottom toolbar to the end to find the Matte button and then select the effect you like. Then click on the text layer. Click Transform in the lower toolbar and then light up the Scale button after entering the page. Modify the data of 0 seconds. Here to adjust the value according to the actual effect. I enter 8000. If you think the effect is not very good, you can light the Transfer button and adjust the position of the lower layer. Pull the time needle to the end and change the value of scale to a smaller value. Here I changed it to 800. By the way, modify the position of the text and move it to the center of the screen. Preview to see the effect. Then select the video layer. Move the time needle to the end of the text layer. Divide the redundant video layers and then delete the redundant ones. Give me a thumbs up if you learn it.